If you work in a school, this brief message is to ask you to keep your COVID guard up by social distancing in all aspects of school life and outside it. While evidence tells us that staff in educational settings tend not to be at any greater risk from the disease than many other occupations, there's been a recent rise in infections across Wales. So please, with the full return to school, can I remind you that the best ways to limit the spread are social distancing where at all possible, avoiding close face-to-face conversations, and good hand and surface hygiene. The distancing extends to all activities and all areas around school, with some specialist exceptions. It applies in the staff room, social areas, near the school gates, in corridors, basically in any communal areas. It applies to colleagues and visitors to school. You might be wondering about using a face covering. Well, social distancing and good hand hygiene really are the best ways to keep yourself and your colleagues safe. Face coverings are not a substitute, but if you do wear one, please use and dispose of it safely. Thank you for keeping yourself and your colleagues safe.